Colorado bicycle laws. As cycling continues to gain popularity across the United States, more and more people are taking to the roads on two wheels. Colorado is no exception, with many residents and visitors choosing to cycle for commuting, recreation, or fitness purposes. However, with increased cycling comes increased risk, and it's important to understand the laws that govern cycling in Colorado to ensure your safety and the safety of others. Equipment requirements. Colorado does not have a law requiring cyclists to wear helmets. Local laws passed as municipal ordinances or park rules may require some or all riders to wear helmets, such as mandatory helmets for children or minors. If you plan to ride at night or in low light conditions, you must have a white headlight that can be seen from at least 500 feet away, a red taillight that can be seen from at least 600 feet away, and reflectors on both the front and rear of your bike. Your bicycle must have at least one functional brake that can bring the bike to a complete stop on dry, level pavement. Your bike must be equipped with a bell or horn that can be heard from at least 100 feet away. Your bike must be equipped with a seat that you can sit on while riding. Rules of the road. Here are some of the most important rules to keep in mind. Cyclists are allowed to ride on the road, and must stay as far to the right as possible except when passing another cyclist or vehicle, preparing to make a left turn, avoiding a hazard or dangerous condition, riding on a one-way street with two or more lanes. When turning, cyclists must use hand signals to indicate their intention to other road users. Cyclists may pass other vehicles or cyclists on the left, but only if it is safe to do so. Cyclists must obey all traffic signals and signs, including stop signs and red lights. When approaching a red light, cyclists must also come to a complete stop and wait until the light turns green before proceeding. Cyclists are subject to the same speed limits as motorists. In Colorado, it is generally legal to ride on sidewalks, but local ordinances may vary. In Denver, bicycles generally may not ride on the sidewalk unless designated by signs or in limited circumstances like delivering newspapers. Common violations. Riding under the influence. Failure to yield. Running red lights and stop signs. Riding against traffic. Riding without required equipment. Sharing lanes and lane splitting. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding Colorado bicycle laws is crucial for any cyclist who wants to stay safe on the road. By following the rules of the road and making sure you have the required equipment, you can minimize your risk of accidents and violations. If you suffer injuries in a bicycle accident in Colorado, contact our Denver bike accident attorneys for information about your rights under Colorado bicycle accident laws.